Pausing a Google Ads campaign is a core management tactic that stops your ads from showing without deleting the campaign entirely. This means you halt ad delivery, preventing new impressions, clicks, and conversions, but you preserve the campaign data, its history, and settings for future use. It's ideal for cost control during off-peak times, preserving performance history, and providing flexibility for A/B testing or seasonal strategies. Pausing is free and instantaneous. Pausing temporarily stops your ads and keeps everything intact for when you want to restart. Deleting permanently removes the campaign and its history, which is irreversible. Pausing a campaign is easy. First, log into your Google Ads account. Navigate to the Campaigns tab. Select the campaign you want to pause. Click the pause button or use bulk actions for multiple selections if you have many campaigns. Confirm the action. Your ads will stop running almost immediately. Google's AI tools, like Smart Bidding and Performance Insights, now suggest pauses based on real-time performance data. For instance, if a campaign's cost per acquisition spikes due to market fluctuations, the system may recommend a temporary pause to optimize spend. This integrates with Google's broader AI ecosystem, including Gemini-powered insights for predictive pausing during economic downturns. Let's look at real-world examples of successful pausing. A major online retailer faced inventory shortages during the holiday season, detected through AI alerts in their system. They paused their holiday-themed campaigns for 2 weeks to prevent wasted ad spend on unavailable products. After updating their inventory data, they reactivated the campaigns and saw a 25% increase in conversions. Another example involves a B2B software company during a market downturn in Q2 2025. They paused their Performance Max campaigns and used Google's insights to identify high cost per acquisition keywords. By relocating the budget to LinkedIn, they achieved 30% cost savings and a 15% increase in qualified leads upon resuming. These real-world examples highlight pausing as a powerful risk mitigation tool, with success metrics tied to timely reactivation. Automation is on the rise, with AI now proactively pausing underperforming campaigns. Industry reports show a 40% increase in automated pauses, driven by tools like Google's automated rules. Advertisers are increasingly pausing campaigns to align with eco-friendly practices, reducing ad carbon footprints during low-demand periods. This supports Google's 2025 carbon neutral pledge and promotes sustainable advertising. Pausing is also extending to connected platforms like YouTube and Gmail, with trends towards unified dashboards for managing campaigns across the Google ecosystem. Looking ahead, expect advanced machine learning to auto-pause based on external factors like weather, economic indicators, or competitor activity. We'll also see mobile-first pausing tools and global expansion, though over-reliance on AI may require human oversight. Experts recommend using pausing proactively to avoid budget burnout and weekly performance reviews to decide on pauses. In a data-driven world, pausing preserves ROI history, allowing for safe experimentation through A/B testing. Remember that pausing is a cornerstone of agile advertising. It integrates well with automated bidding strategies. Don't forget to consult the Google Ads Help Center for the latest updates. By following these expert tips, you can make strategic pausing a key part of your Google Ads success.